We would like for you to help us welcome a very distinguished speaker. He hails from the DPG. Would you please stand and welcome the one, the only OG Nate Dogg.
It's a 360 camera.
Oh shit, you take it off that?
So yeah, so I'm recording right now live.
Oh, that's
I'm gonna put it all together.
So you get it's
like a behind the scenes.
The
what?
Is that how you do the where we video and then you get the picture?
This is the one where basically with the stick.
Yeah, but is that how you get the the way you do the stick and then you like you go and then get the picture like?
No, the picture's all in here.
But that's what I'm saying. But is that how you do it with the thing, or you do them separate?
Well, I do them together.
Oh, okay.
Well, I go around with the stick first. I just walk around like that, and I walk around and take pictures after.
Then you edit it and put
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But now I can just put it all together.
You did that shit.
Now I can just go around once.
Yeah, because that's just tight. How you see the video and then the picture pops in there.
But now that you're talking to me, it's gonna be on the video right now.
Oh.
I'm you. I just want to say thanks, man.
Huh?
I just want to say thanks
What?
for the pictures. I seen. I stole some of your pics,
Oh, no problem.
but I leave your watermark on there on purpose.
Oh, thank you.
Because I give you.
Yeah,
Man, you made my car look better than it was.
that's what I do.
No, I'm dead serious, dude. I
Yeah.
appreciate it, man. I'm like,
Yeah.
dang, man.
That's what I'm here for.
So I followed you. I'm following you everywhere now.
All right, cool.
So if you see 38 D on Instagram, that's me.
Okay.
But no, I just want to say thanks, dude. Your
No.
pictures are nice, man. Because I
You're
was
welcome.
looking at them, I'm like, come away. I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna borrow it.
That's what they're there for.
Man, you took some nice ones, though, especially. And like I said, I don't know if you do weddings or whatever.
I'm down to do it. I haven't done them yet, but I'm down to do whatever.
I'm gonna send people to you, man.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. Thank you.
That's right. Some of that shit you just can't fuck with. Dog pound flavor for the 9 fever. Know what I'm saying? Miss Cholet in the house. That's right. Set it off.
Young Dad struck a match and the match went out. But it wasn't no more lights in the house. Check it out. Speaking of house, let's play a game of it. Are you with it? I go get it, I bet you love it, baby. I play the daddy and you can play the mama so we can get down upon the living room floor. Are you with it? I promise I won't kill it. Pull your cat on the loose, what should I do? Should I kill it? Yeah.
See, back in the day when we used to play, you wanted to be with me.
That's right.
Now that is so bright and natural, yeah, man, that I can see. I'm sticking in my background, digging up a hole for you to make your move. But no longer will I be your ego. Let's play high. Let's play high. Isn't that what you want me to do with you?
You play the mama, baby. I play the daddy. You play the mama and I play the daddy. You can play the mama and I'll be the daddy and I'll be the daddy that runs the house. Straight up. I'm in the shack, about to blaze up a sack. Yeah, we grown all alone, posted up in the back. There's no mistaking. I can have the whole house shaking. Young Dad's in that ass, baby doll, no faking. Don't get me wrong. Tell me what's the flavor of the song. You know it's Dad's in your drawers when your mama ain't home. Ring the alarm, I got your buzz. Loving me, physically and mentally. I knew that it was never meant to be.
I know you know this girl by the name of Danielle. Body of a goddess, space from hell. But oh this wasn't the average trip. She got the vibe. And she like gobbling and swallowing the whole 9 and a half on that black ass groupie. Now all the hoochies wanna do me from the past to the present. Let me rep and present the biggest nigga hitting all the hoes in your clique. Fast as lightning running through like the breeze in the summertime. Out on the corners making G's is the thirst. But I could show you something much worse than the thirst. If worst came to worst, but first things first. Brenda, I can remember how hot y'all be getting 87, 86, and yeah, the year a young man grows. Some women become ladies, some turn into hoes.
Yeah.
Your work is getting better and better, man.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Your videos are just fucking kicking some ass.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're looking good.
Stay with me in the cut with corrupt, come and play with me. Yeah.
how the right way don't pay. I'm coming home late every night, gotta struggle and fight with the bass heads on the late night hike, trying to creep in the house through the cut for what? So I won't be seen by none of the homies, but the homie Nate Dogg spots me and say, yo, what's happening? No, you don't know me no more, when pass me the satin. I said, oh, nah, it ain't like that, G. I'm trying to go straight, have a J.O.B. You need to quit that faggot ass job, that's what he said. Show me his grip and took some satin to the head. Damn, that nigga had at least 2 G's. And he was clocking it with so much cheese. I told him I was gone, so I'm headed in the house. Everybody knocked out, so I'm locked out. I go back to the front where my homies is hanging at. They offer me a cavi sack so I can start slanging that. They say you ain't no hustler, I say don't doubt it. Hold that thought and I'll think about it, cuz take a seat. Since I was born and raised on the streets, I quit the job I had and caught myself a sack. Went from a double of 50 into a C-no stack within a week, but my peak wasn't reached. I was getting too known on the north side of Long Beach. Niggas got the trippin' and I thought I heard it, so I went to the hood on 20th and Murder. I came up quick with some homies that I knew from way, way back. And then my sec, or maybe it was 7, or was it 800 strong? In other words, Daz had it going on. I bought myself a bucket, that's right, a bucket, bitch. Who you fucking my car on my dick? My lifestyle switched a bit, but my attitude didn't. I told all my old bitches good riddance. Cause when you got money, hoes come automatically. And no hoes don't do nothing but cause some status. See, I went from khakis to gas braids to a fade. I'm not special ed, but I had it made. Living the life of a baller carefree. Had bitches dying to sleep with me, you see. But I went bankrupt from all the spending and gambling. Business was getting slow, and I wasn't handling mine the way that I was supposed to. Now I'm broken on the jack mission, so don't get close to the DPG gang. Cause we scanners when we broke, we get the dogs in this game, we get the acting like slow.
I can't believe this, but you can best believe this. Day, I'm on another mission to get paid. Serve what I can serve, right? So my pockets will stack up. Nigga, don't trip, nigga, back up. Hold up, I got to react off the first impulse I find. But my mama thinks I should take my time and work for mine. But how much work would it take? And how much money would I make? Wait, there's something that I gotta think about, but I ain't got that much time. Mom's want a nigga out the house, I ain't getting no younger. I'm only getting older, I'm only thinking about what my mama told me. Now I'm a dog pound gangster for life, and the fact that I'm out to get paid twice, I ain't nothing nice. Down to slang or pull a heist. Jack, I break motherfuckers on the dice, that's real. Now what should I do? Just chill when it's time to fill caps and adapt to kill. Unconcealed or concealed, so I maintain for the salary, and my mentality's raw from the dope. I go hard from the dope, up against all odds. Always down to squab, dog pound for life. I survive to 95 day after day, making hits with DAC to get paid.
been such a long, long time. Looks like I get you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you turns my whole world Nipsey blue. 6. Oh, homie, just the mention of your name makes me wanna bang my game. Listen to me, homie, when I think of the things we used to do, and my whole world turns Nipsey blue. 6. Homie, I should forget you. Heaven knows I've tried. Homie, when I say that I'm glad we're through, that's on myself. I know I've lied. I've lied. I've lied. Neighborhood Nipsey. 6. Homie, it's been such a long, long time. Looks like I get you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you, just the thought of you, my whole world turns Nipsey blue. 6. Forget you. My whole world turns Nipsey blue. Homie, I know my whole world turns Nipsey blue. Homie, I can't forget you. My whole world turns Nipsey blue.
SergFlicks.